McLaren. It's wonderful to have you here. Welcome to the mountains.
We're at the Gstaad Automobile Club. We're with about 30 of our customers and a fleet of McLaren 650Ss. We're just here to have a lot of fun in the snow with our cars.
The beautiful thing is to put the car in a drift, counter the corner, so when you come to the apex you're ready to drift it on the other side, and it flows like a ballet. Truly, I couldn't get the grin off my face. That's it.
This is the first time I've tried ice driving. It was very easy, very balanced. Quite kind of fun. Yeah, I'd like to try ice driving a few more times, in fact.